What a beautiful sunset. It would be great to shoot it just on its own, but I think by adding a little framing just makes it a little bit better. Hello, this is Sean Nielson, one of your virtual expedition photo instructors. I'm here tonight in Glacier Bay National Park, or at least just at the edge of it, with a beautiful sunset coming on. And I'm going to talk about a very simple technique called framing. Hopefully the sun will go down just right, we'll get some nice color, and we can frame this shot up. Let me show you what I mean. My subject here is the Fairweather mountain range, but we also have these interesting spruce trees in the foreground. Now I'm going to take those spruce trees and place the peak right between some of those trees. Sometimes I might take a wide shot, or I might take a tight shot also, where I go in really close on the mountain and just get a few of the branches to kind of wrap around the peak itself. Now I often have to get up and down just a little bit just to get the frame just right. Basically the idea is move yourself vertically up and down until the mountain is just underneath one of those branches and the other branch is just below it. That way you are framing it. Another way to frame the shot is to get up close to some of this ryegrass and shoot through it and have that ryegrass frame either side of the peak. Basically framing is a great way to add depth and more character to any normal shot. By adding that frame, it makes it look more complex, a little more deeper, a little more rich. Generally makes the shot better. One thing to think about is autofocusing might not work if you have these things in the foreground. So you might have to manually focus, but other than that, it's pretty much line up your shot, get a frame, and make it happen. Thanks again for watching.